Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is about strings. We will be starting with strings now. So we'll be covering the combination of arrays and strings. We have been covering that since quite a time, and this question is solely completely based on strings. We don't have any arrays here. We can use there is a way to solve this question using arrays, but we won't be following that. We will be covering only strings right now. So the question in itself is really simple. We are given a string s, which has a lot of words, okay, and we are given an integer k. Now we need to return a new string with k words, first k words from s, okay. And the path that we are going to follow to solve this question, that is also really simple, okay. So let's dive straight into the code. It will be much easier. It's quite an easy code. We would hardly require like 3 or 4 lines, okay. So we'll go from 0 to size of our given string. After this, we will here check first condition, that is if s of I is equal to a space, that is this thing, okay. In that case, we will have to do one thing, that is we will have to decrement our k, because we have found our first word, okay. For example, k is equal to 4 right now, okay. As soon as we found like first space, that is we have found our first word, we will decrement it. Similarly, after the word how, we find a second space, so we will decrement it to 2. Similarly, after r, we have found the next, so we'll decrement it to 1. And this, after this, we have found it, so we'll decrement it to 0. So now at this point we need to stop, because we have reached k equals to 0, right? We have found 4 words. So we'll check, and we will be doing pre-decrement, okay. Now those of you who are not aware, we have 2 kind of increments and decrements: post increment, post decrement, pre-increment, pre-decrement, okay. So if you are not aware, I would recommend that you go and look up to that. Otherwise, if you want, I will just explain it here. So this is post increment, and we have pre-increment, okay. So basically what happens is, if you are trying to, let's say if you have a equals to 5, okay, and let's say you are giving b is equal to a plus plus. So what will happen is, b will be assigned to 5, and then a will be incremented to 6, okay. But instead, if you are doing plus plus a, in that case first a will be incremented to 6, and then that 6 will be assigned to b, okay. So that is that is the difference between post increment, post decrement, pre-increment and pre-decrement. So here we will check this minus kk if that has reached 0, okay. Then we will simply return what? S dot substring. Now substring of what? Starting from 0 till I, okay. If not, like if this k is going till the end of our given string, in that case we'll return our complete string. Let's submit this. So you see, it's that easy. There are obviously different methods and different ways to solve these questions, okay. I am covering just one of them. There might be questions with more optimal approach, okay. and I might not be able to cover that, because one question has 4 or 5 different ways of solving, okay, and covering them in just one video, that is not possible for me. So that's why I'll try to cover the brute force and the optimized code wherever it is possible, but everywhere solving different in different way, it will be really difficult. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and you got some additional information and additional knowledge. Okay, do let me know if you have any other suggestions or queries or doubts for me to solve from any other platform. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.